So my front sensor here, this one, has stopped working after the paintwork on the body shop. I think it's just a faulty sensor, and I think the forums show this front right sensor being faulty. Anyway, or being a problem anyway. So I'm going to try and change it today without taking the bumper off. And I've got this access panel here. How can you see it? This access panel, which I'm taking off. And I'm going to take this off, and hopefully that will give me access to this from the inside. So let me get the panel off and I'll show you in a second. Okay, I think I might have looked out. Here's the old sensor. And sorry, can you see? Having said that, I'm not sure if we're going to get it off because of the wire at the back. Let me have a go. Okay, I looked out. All I did was twist this down and it pulled out. So now I'm going to see putting a new one in. This is my new sensor. I've already had it painted. Let's go out the back. It's just unplugged. Let's plug the new one in. It only goes one way. This way. Yep. Only one way. It's in. Okay. And then will it go in? There we go. What was happening? Okay, so what was happening was that this sensor was permanently on and showing a blockage, meaning obstruction. And now the theory is when I jump up there, there should be no errors on the dashboard. Let's go and check. Okay. Ignition on. Obviously the door's open. Put the parking sensors on. And I think they're working because at the moment it's picking up my posts in the garage. But before this was full on and now they're equal. So this right one was working and this one wasn't, and every sensor bar was on. Here I've only got two sensor bars, 3. So next thing is to get it off the ramp and check it outside. So that was a pretty simple fix. Broken sensor, and I've actually got a spare one painted up as well, just in case another one goes wrong. And clearly, these corner ones are easy to get to, unlike what the body shop said, is take the whole bumper off. It's literally taken me 15 minutes. Let me get it back together, out, and do a proper test. Okay, the big check. What we're looking for is this one to go. Okay, made a boo-boo. I dropped it off the ramp without any lift without any ramps. But this is what I'm going to do. Put these woods in place. I'm going to bring it forward, lift it up, and then slide the ramps in. See how it goes. Change the configuration so I can slide this piece of wood out once the wheels go up on the second tier and get the ramp in. Here we go. woods. Okay, parking sensors on, and put it in reverse. Front one's working. We get it off, take it closer to the car in front. See that corner one triggers. Yay! Left sensor in the bumper working. All good. So two things I did today, Saturday morning, is one, change that front sensor, which I'd already had painted. That one there, it was always on. And the other thing I did was to take the vacuum off the valves on the exhaust so they're permanently open. I think that's a better sound rather than the car controlling it. Thanks for watching.